Last week, if you have a long euro dollar, you might have made some losses, and that is because one of the reasons 2 weeks ago I've been saying that I'm looking to short euro dollar, and I'll share with you shortly why do I am so persistent to short euro dollar, even though some traders might read this as a uptrend movement. So let's have a look on the weekly chart over here. Visually, it does look like the market is having a higher movement than the previous high because how the candlesticks move is a trick on the eye. But once you have a clear definition on how the market definition of breaking resistance should be, you should know that the resistance level over here wasn't broken. In fact, we do have a RSI divergence over here showing a weakness that market might not able to continue to make new high for now. And that is why 2 weeks ago, even before this strong bearish candle happens, I am already looking to short the euro dollar. To the daily chart, although we do see a break and close above the high, what we also can see is the RSI is making a lower price over here, although this is not the immediate interpretation that market is going bearish because this movement can be quite far apart, but it does give you a clue. And if you head down to the 4-hour chart, you can see a series of lower high and lower low give you a hint market is on a bearish movement, likewise on the 1-hour chart. So if you're new in trading and you have absolutely no idea what am I talking about, basically I'm using very simple terms in the trading industry or the trading world. And if you don't understand, scan this QR code. We will bring you to our students community over here. And once you hit the Traders Cafe, verify your account, hit the pin message over here, scroll to the bottom, and click this link over here, you can redeem our training and gain access to our students portal. This is where you get to learn how to trade and read trends the right way. At the same time, you get to learn some trading strategies that you can execute right away. A good practice is for you to practice those trading strategies on a practice account, a demo account, that's what we call them. And once you see your results that you like for the next 3 months, then you decide to put in a amount of capital that you're comfortable to trade. Now, because we are independent Forex education school, we will not recommend you to trade with any trading houses, but look for the one that you find that you're comfortable with their offers. All right. And if you scroll down further, this gives you an idea on the kind of trades that we take. You can realize that most of our second target give us a 2-1 ratio, and this is one of our main principles to engage the trade, because by having a 2-1 ratio, you will just need 40% accuracy rate to be profitable. If this is something that sounds good to you, just spending 15 minutes a day doing analysis, and you can just let your smart devices to monitor the market for you while you do the things you love to do, drop us a note. Let's head back to our chart and show you what am I looking at over here. As mentioned earlier, a retest of the resistance, but we do see a RSI divergence over here. Head down to the daily chart for traders who are looking for a buying opportunity. There are two opportunities over here. Either wait for a retest of the support at 1.0531 for a buying opportunity, or a bullish shark pattern that form up at 0.9893 for a buying opportunity over here. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have. Traders who are looking for a shorting opportunity to price range, you can look at 1.0823 to short it, or 1.0848 could be another level for you to sell on the key resistance level. Being conservative, one of the way is to wait for a double top with an RSI divergence before engaging the trade. If situation like this, the RSI did not went to the overbought area, this is when I'm not particularly interested. Not saying that the market will not go on a bearish run, but rather the movement might not be quick, might not be fast, because I'm going to hit my target fast, right? So I'll prefer when I'm waiting for a shorting opportunity, the RSI went to the overbought side. To the 1-hour chart, this is what we have. Well, you got it, a zoom-in version from the 4-hour chart. And if you have followed us for quite some time, you realize that not every time when you go one time frame lower is a zoom-in version, as you can observe yourself earlier on when we are looking from the weekly to daily to 4-hour. That isn't how the market moves. Alright, so if you like to have this as your side income or ultimately replace your full-time job, full-time income so that you have more time to do the things you like to do and you do not need to please people to put food on the table, drop me a note.